really tried so hard to make my eyebrows equal this time, because in my other videos one's like but if it's not, I ain't got nothing to tell you.
It doesn't.
Yeah! Yeah! Rico.
Killing beats.
Sugar trap. Rule number Don't worry about it.
Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Ivy. Today is going to be another makeup tutorial on this very nice blue electrifying look. So yeah, I really have nothing to say. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys feel like it's all over the place, I'm sorry. I'm still trying to get used to these makeup tutorials. But besides that, yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I will be taking a color in this BH Hollywood California makeup palette collection. And it will be this color right here, which is blue. So, right? See this? And then, yeah, I'm gonna take that blue, start, you know, on my lid. Really pack the color, and then eventually you're just gonna blend it out. And I think what I'm going to do, just to kind of, should I do it? Yeah, just to kind of like make the beginning a bit dark. I'm gonna take one of my colors, which is like a blue, like a really dark blue, and just kind of go on my lid. So if you guys have like a really dark blue, be careful with the black, don't use too much. Just take the blue and go, not more like on your lid, but just like on the very like, now because I don't want the upper part to be too dark, I'm just gonna take another brush, brush it out. Like this one right here. And brush it off. Oh yeah, it works. So do that. I'm gonna take this silver from my Perfect 9 Colors palette that I got from a beauty supply store, a type of beauty supply store. And I'm going to tap that on my inner corner if I can find my mirror. Okay. That looks patchy. We're gonna use the brush that we use for the blue and just blend that out. Like you're gonna brush it in. Will be fixed. But what you're gonna do now is just take a makeup wipe and clean your face or like your eye. No need to tell me, I know I look crazy, but this is just the process. This is it for the look. I'm not gonna lie, it turned out better than I expected it to. I hope you guys are staying safe. Y'all need to come together and stay at home because y'all, I don't know, but like we really need to stop going out. Everybody needs to just stay home, stay put. If we keep on going out because we're impatient, this thing's gonna last for like longer than it needs to. My eye is running because, you know, I can't handle makeup. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys like this video and I hope you guys like the look. I mean, like, I love it. It's bomb. But anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.